Hi, so today we'll discuss about React routing. I'll just tell you some ideas like how to do React, just how to implementation everything just from starting. Okay. So if you see this image, right, localhost 3000 about. So here I'll see different here different URLs are in the browser, home, about, topics, right? But in React, all these are handles inside a single page. So no full phase reload happens here. Okay. And in React, one HTML file is loaded, that is dns.html, no matter which URL you open. React always loads this file fast, okay? And as you know, like React apps are the single page application, right? And one more thing is like if you see like browser router bubbles here, like browser router. So browser it listens to your URL changes in the browser and decides which component should be shown. I mean, it connects the browser URLs with React component, that browser router. Okay. And if you see their image diamond, right? So here React checks the URL path, okay, to select the correct component. So in that way, actually, it works. Okay. Yeah. In the next video, I'll just explain the how in the coding, like how it is, how I have
So I
implemented
need
this one.
to maybe
Let's see.
remove all these things and I'll just customize. Okay. And before that, I just need to add two components, one like home component, one is user component, which will be based on routing, it will redirect. Okay. Prior to that also, I need to install router DOM. Okay. Let me start. So let me stop now. So now I need to install, that router. Okay. Npm install react router DOM install. And after that, we'll create, two folder. Okay. This one is done. Here we'll create two folder, like say components folder. Instead the component folders, I need one home.js. Okay. Which will be redirect based on our routing. Okay. Second one is user.js. Okay. Now what we'll do, I will just write some sample code. Okay. Just to know, like let's say import. React. So it's similarly just right here, import.js, home.js, user.js is ready. Okay. Customize this app.js, like I need to implement routing and all, right? So here, let me remove everything. Okay. I don't need all this. So here I need to import for routing browser router. Okay. It's capital browser. All these things you got it, right? If you see, this is a capital browser. And okay. I think it's not required special. Let it be. Why I don't let it that one? Then routes. Routes we are using the multiple route if you want define. Already code has come here. Just put this one. Okay. Now we'll run the application to just check. Okay, it is working. How it is working, and also inside the browser router, let me add one more just for understanding. Let me add one more command nav, and here let me add a link to home. Okay. And here also, let me add one more user application like component based. We created different component based for better structure, like component separate components, better understanding. Okay, each page now it is very clean and very reusable. Okay, now let me run the application. So my page is coming blank. It seems some error is there or something. Let me check once why that is happening. Actually, if I go to console, I'm seeing this error is there, something link is void, uncut error. Let me fix these things. So basically, I'm not imported here link, so it should be you have not imported link. Okay, then I need to use this one and do as a capital link. Okay, hopefully it will work. Sorry, now down. Let's see whether it's working or not. Now some other error come. Okay, now let's see. Now it is loading now home and user. Is no space there. Maybe let me add some like Okay, a pipe symbol here. Maybe it will come something. See. Okay, now we got some home user, and this is home page, and this is home page, and this is user page. Okay. So why this one? Previously, what is happening? It was reloading everything. It was reloading everything previously. Now it will not reload. It will not reload anything in case new one. Okay. I'll show you this home page and this. If you see, page will be reload everything. Click. If you see now, it will reload everything. Page complete page will reload. Okay. But we need to do some routing. Okay. So how it works? Sorry, some confusion. Sorry, how it works when you click on this home here, right? Home user, home or user, right? So it will go to it will check this routes. Okay. Then based on that, it will find out whether it will go to home, it will go to user. Okay. Similarly, it will work in that way. Okay. So when we click on this link, right, it will go to that route and it will direct to your home component or user component. In that way, it will work and it will render its component corresponding component. So in this way, it works here in the routing in case of React. Okay. Now let's show you that next.js. Okay, let me now first create this application, Next.js application. So you might have a question like npx and npm. What is the difference, right? Npx, what it will do, it will download the temporarily if it is not installed, okay. And npm it will install packages locally, okay. Install packages locally. If you want to install globally, you can just type in G. So I'm just using the npx just temporarily to downloads, and if it is not installed in a machine, but it is installed, I can use npm as well. And it is if you use npx, no global install required. So that is what difference between npx and npm. Okay. So I'm just using this one. Latest my next app. Okay. So it will create my next days app now. So it is application to proceed. Yes. Now it is done. Would you like to recommend default use this one? And yes.